Every time someone pitched, they did these variations of exercises. But as the years went on, I kind of just noticed that all these upper extremity injuries were still just happening. And I kind of began to question, well, what's going on here? If we have these pitchers doing all these preventative or strengthening exercises, why do things like Tommy John still keep happening? Why do rotator cuff injuries keep happening? Labrum tears keep happening, right? So I was kind of just in this one bubble of just only thinking about the rotator cuff and the scapula and not really seeing like the big picture. So kind of came to realize that a lot of these exercises were just cookie cutter approach exercises, and they were just given to everyone no matter what the injury was, you know? So whether the pitcher just pitched a full game, he's doing these after the game, and whether someone just got hurt and their elbow's hurt and they're doing the same exercises. So it really got me thinking, and you know, if I could go back in time now from all this information that I know now, maybe things could have actually been a lot differently if I take the knowledge that I have now and applied it back then.